Hello everyone, it's been about a week since I launched SuperBinder and I'm back with some tremendous new features that I think will be very helpful for you to get started, leveraging AI, building out binders, and collaborating with your peers. And I'm going to walk you through some of those features really quickly here. The first big feature is the library feature. So if you click on library, you can see a whole range of pre-built templates that we're going to be populating into here. The purpose of these binder templates is you can immediately just take a pre-existing project with structures built out, with reference material, with agents, prompts, everything, Q&A, and all of your breakout rooms built, and you can deploy it into your own binder and start to work in that space immediately without doing any of that pre-configuration. And so this is really great because we can build a variety of different binders for creative and business purposes. And then when you have an idea, you can simply step in, you can pick the appropriate binder for your use case, immediately create it, step into that room, and you're off and going. And this will be tremendously productive for anyone who's working in a technical domain, a policy domain, coding, creative writing, you name it. We'll be able to step in and utilize these templates. So I'm very excited to see what kind of templates that you build. They're really easy to use. You can upvote or downvote them depending on how you feel about those templates. And when you find one that you like, you can simply deploy it. So I'm just going to call it this one, Janak BA template room. So I'll save that. I'll deploy that out. So now that binder just got created. And if I come in here and log in, I can have Janak. I'll go into my room and I'll hit join. As I come into this room, it's already pre-configured for me. So I have some sections built out with some documents. I've got this document that is the UK business analyst job description that I got from the SFIA. And so immediately I've got knowledge and reference material built into the binder. I didn't have to add anything. I also have goals built in. These are solid business analysis goals that are pre-existing. You can use them for your team to set some goals. You can absolutely use them to build out new agents. One exciting new feature is this prompts tab. So this wasn't here just a week ago. You can go in and when you find or build some really solid prompts that you want to reuse in the delivery of your services, reuse with AI, you can just go in and you can just build these prompts into your binder, and that way they're right there whenever you want to reference them. So this is going to be super handy to keep track of all those great prompts that you might see people sharing. And what's awesome about these prompts is that you can use them to rapidly build agents and mix and match different prompts to do different outcomes. So when I have a business analysis agent, for example, I have here its goal, it's got a set of goals, so it parsed some of the goals, and also it has the documentation, and then I can actually add in the prompt as well. So in the user prompt, I can add in the market analysis prompt as what I want it to do. So it's kind of its instructions there. And so I'm able to link in those prompts right here into my agents and get going really quickly. What's also cool is as you edit the prompts, you will update all the agents in real time. So whenever you change one of these prompts, any agent using that will immediately adopt those changes and change the way that they're working. So you can rapidly iterate rather than going one agent at a time. It's a real time saver. Some other cool features is you can now come in and you can create both text prompts as well as image prompts. And I can go and task my business analyst to go off and draw me a picture. So it's created a picture because it's thinking about the SFIA levels. Now the text isn't very good. I'm using some of the existing text to image generation. It's not as good as the brand new GPT-4 image generator that just came out this week, but depending on your agent, it's able to do a lot of fun stuff. I can also save images now. So if I have an image that I like, I can go in and save it into my documentation. So I'll just have this as my table image, save that artifact. And so now I'm able to generate a mixture of text and images and then save them back into my binder. So now I have the images there that I create as well as the text that I create. When you do create artifacts that you like, you can now download them. So if I have this analysis from this business analyst of this product, I can download it as a Word document and I can right away get into this. I can also download it as a PDF, so I can open up a PDF and I have my everything that I need in PDF format that I can easily share out of the binder. When I have a binder that I'm really happy with and I want to share with the world, I can just go here, say publish as binder. I'm going to call it Janx new test binder. And this will be a version of the BA binder added with my own features. So I'll publish that binder out. And anything that you publish out is now in the public domain here. So I have Janx new test binder, so I can look at that, and then somebody else can come in and deploy Janx new test binder. So that allows us to continue to iterate and share. So I hope that you're able to leverage this new library feature, put out some really helpful binders for yourself and your colleagues, share information, and let's focus on how to adopt AI to be more productive. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope this demo has been helpful, and I'm looking forward to diving in and creating more exciting use cases using SuperBinder. So stick around for that, and I'll have some videos coming up in the next couple of days. Thanks a lot.